Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Honor 400 Pro, and let me share with you how to enable the Google backup on this device. So let's start with making sure that you've got the internet connection, because it is required. You can use Wi-Fi or mobile data for adding the account. However, for the backup, I highly recommend to use Wi-Fi. I'll also explain it later on with the option which is connected with the backup. Alright, so let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find System and Updates. Then let's tap on Backup and Restore, and as you can see here we've got the whole Google Backup section, and basically if you've got your Google account currently added to the device, you will be able to choose it from the list, and your device will automatically back up the data there. If not, you have to add it right now, so just tap on Backup Account, and as I said, right now I have to add it because I do not have my Google account in this device saved, but if you've got one, you will be able to choose it from the list. So here we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it. Okay, and then tap on Next. Right here we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Alright, and tap on Next. So here we have to decide who will be using this device, so just mark the option and then tap on Next. Here, just tap on I agree. We've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy. You can tap on them to learn more, and tap on I agree after reading. Sorry for my lag. So here we've got the information about the backup, so just tap on Accept, and here we've got it shown on in the I would say better configuration. It's much more readable. So basically you're able to use 15 gigabytes of the Google account to back up apps and apps data, call history, contacts, device settings, and text messages. You can also tap on more details to learn more. Your device will back up the data automatically, store it securely, and you can manage it whenever you want to. So just tap on Turn On, and here we can check that we've got our backup account set. What is more, we can tap on this Google account section here, and we can check how much space we've got left. We can manage the storage, so for example, remove some unnecessary files. Under it, we've got backup details, so we can check what has already been backed up, and here advanced settings, and I highly recommend to keep this option turned off so you can avoid some charges. It is regarding using the mobile data for the backup. I highly recommend to use Wi-Fi. Yes, alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.